Need a second Pinterest account on the same device? I'll show you how to create a new personal account in just a few steps. First, open the Pinterest app on your mobile device. Make sure it's updated so you have access to the latest features and layout. Once the app opens, tap the Saved button located at the bottom right corner of the screen. This takes you to your main profile area. Now, tap on your profile icon at the top left corner of the screen. This opens your account settings and management options. Scroll down through this menu until you see a section labeled Login. Under that section, tap on Add Account. Pinterest will now show you a few options. You can either create a free business account, create a new personal account, or connect an existing one. For this tutorial, tap Create a new personal account. Next, tap Sign Up. Pinterest will guide you through a simple sign-up process. You'll need to enter details like your email, password, and birth date. Important, use an email address that is not already linked to another Pinterest account. This ensures you can register successfully. Follow the on-screen prompts until all required fields are completed. Once done, your new personal Pinterest account will be ready to use. If you found this guide helpful, feel free to like, subscribe, and check out our other tutorials for more Pinterest tips. Thanks for watching.